Assalamu alaikum. We will start from chapter number 2, GCD and LCM. And in this lecture, we will only focus on the topic GCD. So first of all, you should know what does GCD stands for. So the GCD stands for Greatest Common Divisor. Okay, GCD stands for Greatest Common Divisor. Now, you should know what do you mean by GCD. So, greatest common divisor or GCD. Okay, greatest common divisor, or in short, we will say it GCD of two or more numbers is the greatest common divisor. Okay, it is the greatest common divisor which can divide the given numbers completely. Okay, in GCD, you have to find out the common divisor that will divide your given numbers completely. I am repeating again, means in GCD, you have to find one greatest divisor. You have to find out only one greatest divisor, that is the common divisor of given numbers. Okay, let's take an example. In example, you have two numbers 8 and 6, and you have to find out the greatest common divisor of 8 and 6. So for this, first of all, you will find out the divisors. Okay, you will find out the divisors of each and every number. Means you have to find out the divisors of 8 as well as the divisors of 6. Okay, so the divisors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. It means your given number 8 can be divided by 1. 1 into 8 is 8. Your given number 8 can be divided by 2. 2 into 8 is 2 into 4 is 8. Your given number 8 can be divided by 4, as well as it can be divided by the number itself, that is 8. So these four numbers are the divisors of 8. Means these number can divide your given number 8. Similarly, in the next step, you have to find out the divisors of 6. So 6 can be divided by these numbers. It can be divided by 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 2 is 6, 1 into 6 is 6. So 6 can be divided by these four numbers. Okay, in greatest common divisor, first you will find out the divisors of the given number, and then you will find out the common divisors between these two numbers. So what are the common divisors? The common divisors between 8 and 6 is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are the common divisors of 8 and 6. But again, you have to find out the greatest common divisor. Okay, here you have two divisors, out of which you have to select which one is greater. Okay, so 2 is greater than 1. That's why your 2 will become GCD. Okay, so the GCD of 8 and 6 is 2. Got it? So students, you have different methods to find out greatest common divisor. Okay, so how many methods are there? There are 3 different methods to find GCD. You have 3 different methods to find GCD. Method 1, by forming sets of divisors. Method 2, by factorization. And method 3, by division. Okay, in this lecture, we will only focus on method number 3, that is by division. So in this lecture, you will learn how to find out GCD by using division method. For this, I am going to explain it by the help of my notebook. Okay, find the GCD by division method. You have two numbers are here, 348 and 376. Out of these number, you have to decide whether what are divisors and what are dividend. Okay, your smaller number, that is 348, will become divisor. Okay, and your greatest number will become your dividend. Understand? Now, what you have to do to find out GCD, you will make the box here. You will make the box here. Inside the box, you will write your dividend, that is 376. Okay, and outside the box you will write your divisor, that is 348. Got it? What you have to do, you have to divide 376 by 348. Understand? 348 into 1 is 348. In the next step, I will subtract 348 from 376. Okay, I will start from the right side of the corner, and I want to subtract 8 from 6. Since 8 is greater than 6, that's why I will borrow 1 from the next number written next to 6, and it will become 16, and your 7 will become 6. So 16 minus 8 is 8, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, now in GCD, if you will get your remainder, this is your basically the remainder. So if you will get remainder, what you will do, you will proceed it further. You will repeat the previous step until and unless you will get your remainder here 0. Okay, since you will get your remainder here is 28, so what you will do, you will proceed it further. For the next step, your previous steps remainder will become your divisor,